Are you dreaming of exploring Europe but worrying about the expenses? Do you think that budget travel is a myth? Think again. In this video, we'll show you how to travel Europe for under $25 per day with our budget travel tips and tricks. Europe is a dream destination for many, but the costs of travel can quickly add up. However, budget travel is possible, and even enjoyable. In this video, we will provide you with insider tips and tricks for how to travel Europe on a shoestring budget. We'll cover everything from transportation, accommodations, food, and attractions, so you can experience all that Europe has to offer without breaking the bank. Welcome to our ultimate guide to budget travel in Europe. We know that exploring the continent can be expensive, but with our tips and tricks, you can travel for under $25 per day. We'll show you how to ditch expensive restaurants and tours, and instead, immerse yourself in the local culture. Plus, we'll share low-cost accommodations and transportation options, so you can save even more. Get ready to explore Europe without breaking the bank. Europe is a continent full of history, culture, and beautiful sights. But unfortunately, travel costs can be high, which can make it difficult to experience everything on a budget. However, with flexibility and a little creativity, you can explore Europe without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks that we've learned over the years. From finding budget-friendly accommodations to discovering free activities, we'll show you how to travel Europe for under $25 per day. 1. Low-cost accommodations. One of the biggest expenses, when you travel, is accommodation. But there are plenty of budget-friendly options if you know where to look. Hostels are a great option for solo travelers or groups, and they usually offer shared rooms or private rooms at various price points. Also, consider booking accommodations outside of major cities, or try couchsurfing to save money. 2. Affordable transportation. One of the best ways to save money on transportation is to use public transportation. Take advantage of local buses and trains instead of expensive taxis or rideshare apps. When possible, use overnight buses or trains to save money on both accommodations and transportation costs. 3. Cheap eats. Eating cheaply while traveling can be tough, but there are plenty of options to choose from. Street food is a great way to sample local cuisine for a fraction of the restaurant's price. Also, grocery stores and markets offer fresh food at affordable prices. Avoid expensive tourist restaurants and instead, dine where the locals eat. 4. Free or low-cost attractions. Europe offers a plethora of free or low-cost attractions that you won't want to miss. Many museums offer free admission on certain days or times or have discounts for students or seniors. Also, explore local parks, galleries, and historic sites that don't require an entrance fee. We hope you enjoyed our guide to budget travel in Europe. Remember, with a little planning and flexibility, you can explore this beautiful continent without breaking the bank. By finding low-cost accommodations, affordable transportation, cheap eats, and free or low-cost activities, you can travel Europe for under $25 per day. Happy travels!